Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set spatial wallpaper on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app. Then tap on Open. Now just tap on Proceed. From here, just tap on Wonderland. Tap on Visit Find Log homepage and also select Wonderland from here. Now just download this APK. Select Download, then tap on Open File. Select Install and tap on Open. From here, tap on Continue and select Allow All. Now just tap on Create your own moving wallpaper. Then tap on the plus icon from here. Now just tap on Gallery. Now just select an image from your Gallery app. Then tap on Image Settings and enable Motion Effects. Now from here, just increase the Y movement from here, just like that. Now once you do that, just tap on the X icon from here. Now just tap on Download. Now just give a name for your wallpaper and select Save. Now just tap on Set as Wallpaper. Now you can set this image as your lock screen wallpaper or you can set it as your home screen wallpaper. And also you have the option to set it as your lock screen and home screen wallpaper. Now as you can see, this is how you can set spatial wallpaper on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.